5 months ago, I got stalked by a 5'9" cat girl that was constantly joining my stream to watch me play and be so possessive of me that she doesn't allow me to talk to other women. So what I did was I built an app, which is right here. I built an app that detects a specific Twitch user to see if that user is inside your current stream. So it detects where the user is inside the stream right now, and this is how I did it, and and how you can also set up on your own PC locally for free. So guys, let's get straight into it. And this is the app here. I had it running on Electron, which is an app builder thing. And once you have this open, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna enter the username you want to check. What you like, for example, I'm gonna check this big streamer called Morton Z3 here. I'm gonna insert user. It doesn't matter if it's capitalized or not. It's gonna turn it on to lowercase anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna check this guy, and I'm also gonna check some other guy called uh Morton, awesome, 5, yeah. So I inserted 2 names into the list, and I'm gonna go set a hotkey for it. I'm gonna go set it as I'm gonna go set slash. So every time I press slash, it's gonna go check for the 2 username I just inputted into the list. It checks for those 2 names whether they are inside my Twitch chat or not. So I usually use this just to get away from my like some people that don't like me, or like some stalkers that are always stalking me, like I have them on the list, and then every time I press slash here, and then it checks for them. If there's anyone if any one of them is inside the Twitch chat, there's gonna be an audio cue. So just this is the audio cue, and every time you press slash and it detects anyone inside the list that is inside your Twitch chat as well, this audio cue plays. Here's how you can install it on your own. First, you're gonna go into this link. I have it down in description. Twitch chatter checker v110. I don't know what the versions are, but you're gonna go download. The zip file here, and then once you have it downloaded, it should be appearing like this. You should have this downloaded, uncompressed, what's it called? Extracted. Yeah. What uncompressed? Okay. So after you have this downloaded, extract it into this folder, and then open it in VS Code. Once you're in VS Code, you're gonna go do npm install. But because I have it all installed, it's gonna say like it's up to date. But if your first time downloading this file, you gotta go hit npm install. It doesn't matter which file, as long as it's like in the directory of the folder. So just make sure that's where it is happening. So as long as this is in the folder, you can do npm install, and it's gonna install all the node modules, which is the dependency stuff that you need for the app to run on. And after that's done, you're gonna go ahead and do npm start to start the app, which I just did. So now that you have the app on it, we're gonna set it up so that it checks for your stream, and it checks for like the people that you want. So first you're gonna go into render.js, and then go to the 4 lines here: constant, client ID, access token, broadcaster, and moderator ID. So these are essential in a way that it helps detect only your stream. So you can't just copy mine, because like this is my client ID and my broadcaster ID, moderator ID. So you can't just copy off me. You have to enter your own, and I'm going to show you how you guys can do that as well. So first you're going to go over to twitchtokengenerator.com here, which is a website for you to generate tokens with special authorities. First I'm going to go over down here and go to chatters. Where is it? We're gonna go over to moderator read chatters here, and I'm gonna go ticket generate token. So it's gonna ask you to log in, but since I'm logged in, I'm just gonna authorize it. After that's done, I'm gonna go down here, access token, copy this, and I'm gonna go over to here and paste it down. I'm gonna go over to client ID, and I'm gonna go paste it down. Very nice, guys. Very nice. And then For the broadcaster ID and moderator ID, I'm just gonna go over to Twitch channel ID converter here. You can check out this, or you can just search up Twitch username to ID, which this also works. So I'm gonna go enter my username, which is Morton03 here. Convert Twitch username to ID, and it's gonna go ahead and generate my Twitch ID. I'm gonna go copy and paste this, but since it's the same thing, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna hit Control S to save it. If you don't like this notification sound, you can go ahead and import another. You can go ahead and drag and drop another audio file here, but just make sure it's renamed as audio.mp3 or else it's not gonna work. So now that you have everything set up, I'm gonna do npm start to start the app, and then I'm gonna go register my hotkey as well. Register